Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make an amazing fruit salad, and for this we need some apples, orange, kiwi and bananas. This is a very easy recipe, and for that you need to start with cutting down the apples. We need only one for the salad, right as you see in the video. In fact, it's a very easy recipe, and just in case you don't know how to combine the fruits together, which one would go great with another one, this is a very helpful recipe and you will like it. Continue with making the salad, this fruit salad, by cutting down also the kiwi and add it to the mixture as well. And you can continue with cutting down the orange. In fact, if you are having some unexpected guests, this recipe is really great to make something very fast. And also make sure your guests will really like it. Add the oranges also to the other ingredients and go on with cutting down the bananas. When finished, add this to the ingredients as well, and you will need to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to those mixture. You can also add something else like Nutella, for example, but we have decided not to add too much of other stuff so that the taste of the fruits will be there. Also, we are going to taste it with ice cream. That's why it is better to have only sugar added. So put it into the plate, and we hope you like it. Good appetite!